Hi everyone, I am Ajay Deshwal and I am a native of Panipat, Haryana. I recently enrolled in the NIGMT Institute in Dwarka Mode, South Delhi to pursue a PG Professional Diploma in Geoinformatics while pursuing my MSc in Geography at Kurukshetra University. Before enrolling in this course, I had a lot of questions, including whether it would be worthwhile for my future career and why geoinformatics specially. A geospecialist has various opportunities in the public and private sector, including in ISRO, NRSC, MapMyIndia, Survey of India, and others. As India is becoming increasingly digital, I make my decision for NIGMT with all of these considerations in mind, because they offer us an excellent atmosphere to develop our experience, such discipline, helpful disposition, and competent teachers. So, I advise you to contact your local institute or Netra Institute of Geoinformatics if you are interested in learning more about these advanced technologies. Thank you.